gagawa tayo ng macaroni salad. Ito na siya guys, pinakuluan ko na to. And then, meron tayong fruit salad. Fruit salad na yun. And then, meron tayong creamy. And then, condense. Meron tayong pasas. And then, wait lang guys. Kita na yung click. Then, meron tayong cheese. Ilagay natin yung fruit salad. Okay, sana magkasya to guys. Parang maliit yung lagyanan ko guys. Sana magkasya. And nilagay natin yung condense. Parang mago siya guys. And then guys, lagay natin yung creamy. And then, lagyan natin yung cheese. Ayan, ginakapit na guys.